Good morning, class 5th. Today again we have started chapter number 5, that is the health, disease and the hygiene. At the last time we have discussed about the different types of the communicable disease which is infected direct and indirect mode, and today we have learned the different vectors which is influence the different disease. Some insects like a mosquito, housefly, these are those vectors insects. These are carry some microorganisms from one place to another. When an insect like a mosquito bite an infected person, the germs reach the body of the mosquito, and this does not harm the mosquito. But when the mosquito bites another healthy person, the germs get transferred into the blood of the healthy persons and infected him. Again, I have repeated, some of the microorganisms are carried by the some insects and animals known as the vector. Examples are mosquito and the housefly. When an insect like a mosquito bites an infected person, the germs reaches the body of the mosquito, and this does not harm the mosquito. But when the mosquito bites an another healthy person, the germs get transferred into the transmitted into the infected persons, healthy persons, blood of the healthy persons and infected him. Malaria example are the malaria caused by the protozoans, which is carried by and the female Anopheles mosquito, and dengue is transmitted by the Aedes. Again, I have repeated, dengue is transmitted by Aedes mosquito infected with a dengue virus. So, in the case of Aedes, act as a vector for the dengue, and through some animals, which is some infection which is through the animals bites. Example are the dog. Some animals carry germs of the certain disease in their body. Their bites may transfer the germs to the victim and hence cause the disease. Dogs carry virus of the disease rabies in their body. Its bites may transfer the virus and cause the disease, which can be fatal. You know that you must have heard about the Nipah virus spreading recently. Which animal is the carrier of the disease and how they spread the virus? Please think and give me that answer. Okay, then next, way to the prevent communicable disease. First, we should be very much careful regarding our personal cleanness by taking regular bath with a soap or shampoo. We should wash your hand with soap and the water before and after eating food, and after using restrooms, after touching animals, after sneezing and coughing, etc. And we should cover our nose with a tissue or a handkerchiefs will cough and the sneezing, and we must not forget to throw the tissue in the trash after using it. We should not share towel, cloth, eye drops, etc. with a person who is suffering from the communicable disease such as the conjunctivitis. And we should not leave stagnant water. Stagnant water means water bodies without any flow around your house or coolers. This promotes breeding of mosquitoes, and we should keep dustbins covered And drinking water and food items should not be left uncovered, and uncovered food items should not be consumed. And we should avoid using dirty bathrooms of a public place like railway stations and the cinema halls. And spraying and insecticides should be done in a house time to time. Okay, then thank you class. Today I have been the session here, and today's your question is, you should have heard about the Nipah virus spreading recently. Which animals is the carrier of the disease? How do they spread the virus? Please write down question in your copy. Okay, then thank you class, and we have meet in your next video.